Today's farming machines don't just work the land, they master it. From laser-precise planting to unstoppable harvesting power, these beasts turn hard labor into pure efficiency. So buckle up and see why modern agriculture will leave you absolutely speechless. I wonder how to wash that pile of sugar beets in the blink of an eye. And the Hillera BR 2000 cleaning machine can do just that. The impressive adjustment mechanism is used to harvest an entire cabbage field in just 1 hour. Now you can stay completely still and still clear the cable with ease. Cutting down trees in urban areas requires accuracy, which is where the Lumberjack LJ450 comes in handy. This next driver made the dream come true, turning around without ever turning the wheel. If you run a poultry farm, meet the Robot XO, the smart way to disinfect and monitor your environment with precision. The rotary stick is built to handle land leveling and transformation with absolute precision. And here's the Shiomone, an eco-friendly powerhouse that destroys weeds using hot foam, keeping your crops fresh and healthy. A true 3-in-1 powerhouse, it tills, burrows, and drills perfect holes for seeding in one go. And this powerhouse from John Deere? It tears through wheat fields, delivering a jaw-dropping 100 tons per hour. This tea leaf harvester works with flawless precision, delivering performance at the highest level. You'll be blown away by the size of this spraying giant, stretching nearly 190 feet wide with its twin arms, about 50 times a human's reach. To tackle the pruning challenge, this farmer built a lightning-fast branch trimmer that slices through work in seconds. And for delicate tasks, they switched to this compact machine to gently pick the youngest leaves. This tool ensures perfectly even seed distribution across the field. This incredible machine lets farmers gather over 300 kilograms of almonds in just minutes, speed and efficiency on a whole new level. Sit back and watch the warehouse fill up. No manual work needed. This smart elevator system lifts heavy grass rolls with ease, saving farmers valuable time and effort on every load. It's pure satisfaction watching this machine clean, sort, and package oranges with flawless precision, ready for delivery in record time. Meanwhile, this advanced tunnel sprayer shields strawberry plants from pests and disease, so every harvest delivers those perfectly plump, juicy berries you love. To overcome the pruning challenge, this inventive farmer built a high-speed branch trimmer that makes cutting faster and cleaner than ever. Thanks to the non-stop motion of its saw blades, this machine wipes out every last weed, leaving the fields perfectly clean and ready to grow. With these machines, farmers no longer have to strain their backs. Look how easy it is to separate the fruits with this device. The automatic system ensures every portion is perfectly balanced, precise, consistent, and completely hands-free. The Brielmeyer monster moves effortlessly through swampy terrain, cutting and collecting weeds with unstoppable power, and it can even be used for fertilizing the fields. Check out how this machine brings the irrigation system back to life, restoring water flow across the entire field with ease. The Arbase 4000 is engineered for speed and precision, spraying insecticide quickly and efficiently across every row. With a powerful 255-centimeter rod, this machine can uproot even massive trees in just seconds. Meanwhile, this smart robot roams the fields, automatically eliminating weeds before they can harm the crops. The Monchiero hazelnut harvester gets the job done with unmatched efficiency. This advanced agricultural robot carefully harvests grapes while analyzing their growth, blending precision farming with smart technology. The double spade machine works with smooth precision, effortlessly uprooting dry tree roots from the soil. Watch how this powerful machine restores the field's irrigation system, bringing water flow back to life with impressive precision. The egg inspection line automatically detects and removes bad eggs, ensuring only the best make it through. While you've been racing against deadlines, this incredible robot has been effortlessly harvesting blueberries with flawless precision. The Mouse 6 proves why it's a market leader, featuring an impressive widening system that stretches up to 10.2 meters. It scoops up massive piles of sugar beets in no time. The Brielmeyer monster easily moves and collects weeds in swampy areas. The electric weed killer is every gardener's dream. A perfect tool that makes weed removal fast, clean, and effortless. The mighty Colossus machine sweeps through the fields, collecting and instantly packaging perfectly clean cotton with precision. Land improvement is routinely done to boost the soil's ability to hold water and nutrients. Ever wondered how apples can be harvested so fast? This incredible machine shows exactly how it's done. And here's how they clear out pumpkins that don't make the cut for Halloween. Quick, precise, and oddly satisfying to watch. And now you know who's behind those perfectly shaped rectangles. Pure precision at work. The fertilizer is injected beneath the soil, allowing crops to absorb nutrients faster and grow stronger. And now the chickens get to enjoy their meal, served with military precision and perfect timing. The CLAS Jaguar 970 dominates the field, cutting through 10 rows of corn at once with unstoppable power. Look at how cleverly they've used the space. This innovation will help you avoid hand pain when shelling peanuts. The Purbeck 9200 mobile system is a true powerhouse, capable of harvesting an incredible 70 tons of lettuce every hour. With this machine, food distribution becomes effortless. And those were some of the most advanced agricultural machines in the world. If you want to see more, drop a comment about your favorite farming tech. We'll make it happen. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon.